Hi friends, this is Hemant here, and in the last two videos we saw maps and filters. Today we'll be learning about find. So let me comment this code, okay, and find. So for easier understanding of difference between filter and find, let me copy the same query which we had, okay, and see what's the difference. Okay, I'll replace this filter with find. So what find does is, whenever we are given something like a condition, okay, price, where price is equal to greater than 60,000 in this case. So what it would do is it would search for price greater than 60,000, and if it finds it in the first row itself, it would stop calculating. So that's the difference between find and filter. In filter you'll get every brand model which has a price of greater than 60,000, but in find you will just look at all the rows, and whenever you find it, it would stop executing and return the first condition which is satisfied. Okay, so now let's run this. We have the same condition what we had for filter, and let me clear out my terminal and run node array.js. So see, the condition was met on the first row itself, so it stopped executing and it displayed the brand as Toyota and price. Okay, so this is what I had planned for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Do like, subscribe. Thank you.